So they're here. They look good. So one thing you notice when you first walk into Brad and Laurie's, it's quite bland. There's not a lot going on. So what we've decided to do is go with some faux beams on the ceiling, and they're going to bring, you know, a little something extra to that room.
Yeah, they're after that California casual sort of modern desert vibe. So I think it's going to lighten the room and give it that sort of those earthy tones and add some character to that room when you first walk in.
I love them. They're a lot lighter than an actual beam.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
All right, well, get it up.
Ready?
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Woo! Get it out. Getting hot, man. Yes.
All right.
Next. Ah, there it goes. All right, that looks good.
That looks great, mate. Doesn't look good, it looks great.